Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be my IKEA shopping haul. I am posting, or I already did post, a shop with me quick video for part 1 and this is part 2. So I hope you guys enjoy what I got. Let's get right to it. Alright, so I saw this. They had these in multiple sizes, but you guys know I love this color. Sorry, Riley's throwing his toys at his brother right now if you can hear that in the background. I love this because it comes with the lid and you don't have to pay extra for the lid. It's just... yeah, you don't pay extra for the lid. It was $2.99 for this size, and I thought it was really cute to keep like underneath a sink or something, or you know, just really anywhere. It'll fit in like anything, and I just thought it'd be really nice. And I love that it had a lid, and you can just put maybe some snacks in here if you'd like, and put it up high in the cupboard where your kids can't find them. I don't know, but for $2.99, that's pretty cool. All right, and then I also picked this up for 99 cents, and I thought it was perfect for gardening and also for Riley because he likes to spray his brother and sister. So for 99 cents, you can't go wrong. All right, and then I saw this right here. It is a 20 pack of silicone, let's see here. They're silicone like cupcake cups, and I can easily peel these off, but it's really cute because it has like that really pretty green color I like, and there's gray, and then there's also like that really pretty blush rose, blush pink. So cute. This was, I think, only $2. Like, it was on clearance. I think it was like $1.90 for this, so I was like, I have to get that. And then I got this salt and pepper shaker. I thought they were just really cute. They're glass and they're just really nice to have out. These were only $2.99. like that. I got this black scrubby brush because I'm going to be teaching my kids how to do dishes, and I thought, hey, I'm not going to let them use my really expensive ones I get from Grove Collaborative. I'll let them use this. This is like less than $1. I think it was like 69 cents or 79 cents for it, but I thought the black was pretty neat for them, and they can learn how to scrub dishes. Give mommy some help here. And then I saw this. This is like totally not even like going together by any means too. I saw this in the pet section. I didn't notice the pet section before, I don't think, but this time I did. And I saw this brush. On one side of it is like the hairbrush bristles, and this side has the metal bristles. And you could tell in here that you can, you know, that you could push it in, I guess. And it comes with a little baggie for it or something. I don't know. But this was $5, and I know that Max and Penny will absolutely love this. And then let me see if I could find that other thing for pets. And then I got this for 29 cents. It's a pack of 25 or 50. I can't remember. Okay. These are doggy doo-doo bags. So for 29 cents, and I think you get 50 of them, I think. Really good deal. All right, now to move on towards the other stuff. I saw this, and I've been having my eyes on this every time I go in there, and I've been wanting these, but I just never get them. These are like hot pads. They're like cork stuff. Okay, these are either $2.99 or $3.99. I can't remember, but it's either $3 or $4 basically for it. But I always wanted them, so I thought that these will come in handy in my kitchen. And then I also picked up this right here. It actually has both 6 quart and 5 quart Ziploc bags. They're not Ziploc, that's not the actual brand, but they're larger bags. I thought these would come in handy for like when I go get something from Costco or something and the bag isn't resealable, I can use one of these to put them in there and keep it fresh longer. So this was only $2.49 for it. I thought that was a really good deal. So I am obsessed with these little dish towels they have. These are like 79 cents each. I have one already, but I wanted to pick up another one. It's quite long and you can just hang it up, and I personally I love these. They're really cute and they come in handy. And then they had these on clearance. I think these are only 99 cents each. I saw this and it hangs up. It's a little not a hand tool, but a little washcloth, I guess. Little dark turquoise polka dots on here, 99 cents. And then I also got it in, oops, same thing but navy blue polka dots, 99 cents as well. The same thing but bright green polka dots for 99 cents. And then they have this bath towel I got for Riley. There's a spot right here to hang it up if you want to, but it was on clearance for only $2.99, so I thought it was a really good deal for him, and can always use extra towels, you know? And then I got this. This was on clearance for $1.99, and I love the color, and I like see the squares on here, and it's really plush. And I love how the IKEA like washcloths have little hooky-doo, but this is really cute. I love the color, so I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed a 4-pack of these gray towels, and these were either $1.99 or $2.99. I cannot remember, I'm sorry. But I like the gray ones. I thought they look nice in the bathroom. And then I got this spatula for 99 cents. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. I just think they're really cool. Fun colors. And then I also got this. This is basically like the sticker tags. There's black, there's white ones, and there's tan. But for organizing, I think this was only $1.99 or $2 something for it. But it was really cheap, and you get 90 of them. So, I mean, that's a good deal for all of that. And then I also picked up this glass casserole dish, the square one. I love this. It's only $2.99, and that's not on sale. That's just the normal price for this. $2.99 for this 9 by 9 or 9 3/4 quarter by 9 3/4 quarter inch casserole dish. I thought it was really good for $2.99. That's a really good deal. I mean, this is like you can buy multiples of these and give them as gifts. So. But I'm going to use this one, so I'm just saying. Alright, and then in the plant section, I have been wanting to do a cute little farmhouse decor type thing. So I got 2 of these. These are $4.99 each. Like the greens with like the white in it too is really pretty. And then I also got this one, this green one. And they were really pretty with them like this. But I also got 3 of these. These are 79 cents each. I got them to go with it. I might put some jute in it, or around it I mean. So you will soon be seeing these probably on top of my piano, but I thought that was really cute. So these metal tins are like 79 cents each, and the foliage is $4.99 each. So I made for a really cute farmhouse style DIY. It's not that expensive. And then I got these right here. This, yeah. Oh, you want your kitty? Okay, I'll show them your kitty first. And then I got this. Riley wanted this so bad. This cute little stuffed kitty with the backpack, and you can cut. Sorry if you can hear my husband's race car in the background. It's race day, so he's working on it. Anyways, you can, right here it shows you can cut this off here. But he has goggles too. It's so cute. Want to show him how much you love your kitty? Give it hugs. Give it a hug. Oh, yay. All right, go pet your kitty. That was $4.99 for that kitty, but he really wanted it, so I got it for him. This really cool white, heavy duty, it feels like plastic bin is only like $2.79 or $2.49. I can't remember, but I know it's under $3. So I got this to use for organizing, and then I got a larger one. This was $4.50 for it, but it's much larger. And this would be really cool maybe for like cleaning supplies or something underneath the sink. Yeah, it's your kitty. He's showing you guys his kitty. Yeah. Look at you, mister. You little YouTuber. You showing your haul. So cute. And then I got, oh, you love your kitty. You want to sit over here with mommy? Come here. Want to sit right here? You can be in the video too. Come on. You sit with mommy. You think about it. So I got these. These are 69 cents each, and I got these smaller IKEA bags. I thought they'd be really good for, and maybe in the car or whatever. You know, I think they'll come in handy for this size. But they're 69 cents each. Yeah. He really wants to show you his kitty some more. Yeah. Come back here. Back up a little bit so they can see you and your kitty. Show them your kitty. Say, think of my kitty. He's being shy now. And then I got this pillow. It's like, this whole video is a blooper. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. I got this pillow for Riley. Like, if he wants to snuggle with it, it's $4.99 for it, but it's really plush. Yeah, you love that, huh? You can take it now. And that would be just nice for him to have. Oh, I got this washcloth. Oh, sorry. Got this washcloth as well. All right, baby. Come here, you. Got this washcloth as well.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's okay. And this was also 99 cents. Mom life. Seriously, hashtag mom life. But yeah, it's really cute. That'll be really fun for the bathroom. Yeah, what's the kitty say? What the kitty say? Meow. Say meow. Go play. Go play. Go find your cars. And I got this. It's on clearance for $1. It's basically, it's an ice cube maker. You put it in a bag. This is the directions. You fill it up with water, stretch it out, freeze it, and then you hit it, and it's supposed to be ice cube. I don't know. For $1, I was like, whatever. We're always running out of ice, so I thought maybe that'd be fun to have, I guess. This I got for one of Riley's pictures because his favorite color is red. He loves anything with red on it. This was only 99 cents. It's a little picture frame. It was cute. They had other colors too, but I liked the red for him. I wanted to get this last time, but I didn't, so I got it this time. This was $4.99, and it is me. Take it out of the...
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi, friend. Aww. Jeez Louise. Alright, so this cute little basket has like a leather look to it right here, but it's white with black polka dots, and it'll come, sorry about the weird lighting by the way, it'll come in handy. It's like a good size for inside my, maybe my linen closet or something, but it was $5 for this. I thought it was really cute. I also got this right here, this little dustpan and duster. I think this was $1.99. Again, teaching my kids how to do chores, and also for like quick pickups I can use it as well. So I liked that. And then I got this right here for I think $2.99, and it is so pretty put together. So I'm going to put it together for you guys really quick. All right, I just put the bottom of it together. This is the box, and then you have this piece to go in here just to make sure everything stays in place so nothing can fall out. And here's the lid. It's actually quite big, and I thought it'd be a really nice size to store some things in, and I love the design of it. I love the colors. It's just, they had other styles too, but this was definitely my favorite. For $2.99, I thought it was a good deal. There's that. Also, they have new ginormous bags. They have like the normal blue one that they always have, which I have like a ton of, but they have pink with black now too. This is $1.49 now, but look how big it is. It's like huge, but I love the cute pink and I love the black straps. It actually reminds me of like Victoria's Secret pink totes, except like way bigger. All right, and then this I got for Riley's toy cars and his choo-choos. This I've been wanting since years before I even had him, for my older kids for their toys, but I didn't get them. But this time I did, because I was like, I'm gonna do it. All right, so I got green. There's your kitty. There's Kitty again. A green plastic box on casters wheels. I think you can lock them too where they don't go. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. But this was $5.99 for this green one. They had other colors, like blue, a clear, a pink also, but I like the green. Thought it was just fun. And then this lid I think is $2 for it. But I wanted a box with a lid for him to put the stuff in there so he can like kind of learn how to put things away. He's been really good at that. Way better than his siblings, my other kids. So this altogether I think was like $7.99. Yay! Gonna clap? So yeah, for $7.99 I thought it was a good deal still. Alright guys, I spent a total of $100.81. Yeah, that was a lot, but I got a lot of things, and a lot of things that I've been wanting for a long time as well. And some things that will come in handy and stuff for fun. And I also saw some things there that would be really cool for like Christmas and birthday ideas too for people. So yeah, I spent $100.81 total, because where I shopped, where there was an IKEA by me, is in Portland, Oregon, and there is no shopping tax or sales tax. So I didn't have to spend any tax on that. So yeah, that's everything I got for $100.81. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. Please like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and definitely hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
You better turn up.